Typing in math can be very difficult. It's even more difficult if you struggle with typing to begin with. So when we're doing all this digital learning, one of the stumbling blocks you might have is actually how to type in what you need to have. So instead of having to deal with typing, there is a great Chrome extension called Equatio, which helps you to type those math problems out, but also has a voice type feature where you can actually speak to your computer and tell it what math to write. So Equatio is a Chrome extension. So you can download that Chrome extension, and then when you click on it, you have this toolbar that comes up on the bottom of your screen. If you want to use their voice type tool, there's this little microphone here called speech input, and you can go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to work out your various problems. So in order to start recording, you click Start Speech Input. So I'm going to click that red button, and I'm going to speak out a problem that I want to embed onto my Padlet. So here we go. X minus 1/2 equals negative 2/3. So you got to watch it, listen to my speech, and then it actually turned it into a nice little math equation that's easy on the eyes and didn't take any effort to type. So what I'm going to do is I want to add this to my Padlet. So the easiest way to do it to add to Padlet is to actually copy this as a URL. So I'm going to copy as a URL, and it tells me that to make sure you use my shortcuts in order to paste it. So I'm going to return to my Padlet here, and I'm going to add my particular problem. So this is Mrs. Frisco's problem. And then I need to add this URL. So right here where we have link, I can paste either by right-clicking or by using my shortcut of Control-V, my particular URL. And I'm going to click Save. And what it does is it actually puts an image of the problem that I wrote. So I have the x minus 1/2 equals negative 2/3 as my image. So now I can easily go back and solve problems. And when I solve the problems, I can also add the comments, and I can add my voice type into there as well in order to make it a lot easier to deal with writing our own and solving one-step equations without all the hassle of having to type it. So happy solving!